So this is my armhole for size small, and it is 7 inches wide. So I want to distribute 6 shells on one side. So it's going to be a half shell at the armpit and a half shell on the shoulder, and the rest will come on the other side. So it will be 5 shells and half shells on either side. So let's start at the armpit. Slip stitch to the armpit. Chain 4. Double crochet in the same spot, and now work a shell on top of the next turning chain. This is a turning chain. On top of that, the junction between the two turning chains, work a double crochet chain 1 and a double crochet chain 1, all into the same spot. Double crochet chain 1, a double crochet again, a double crochet chain 1 and a double crochet. So that completes a shell. Now skip the next turning chain and the junction between the two turning chains, and on top of the next turning chain, skip 1, and top of the next turning chain into the next junction. On top of it, work a shell. So that is double crochet chain 1, a double crochet, again a double crochet chain 1 and a double crochet into the very same spot. And now skip the next turning chain and work on top of the next here. Work a shell there, that is a double crochet chain 1, a double crochet, and again a double crochet chain 1 and a double crochet. Now skip the next turning chain, and on top of the next turning chain, work a shell. Double crochet chain 1, double crochet, again a double crochet chain 1 and a double crochet. We now have 4 shells. Now skip the next turning chain, and on top of the next, work a shell. So double crochet chain 1, double crochet again, double crochet chain 1 and a double crochet. So now we have a total of 5 full shells, 1 2 3 4 5, and a half shell on the other side. Now we need to go ahead and work one more. So skip the next turning chain, and on top of the next, skip the next turning chain, skip the next turning chain, on top of the next, which is the shoulder, work a double crochet chain 1 and a double crochet. So now we have worked from the armpit to the shoulder, and we have 2 half shells on either side and 5 complete shells in the middle. And now we'll continue on the other side to work the same. So now I'm at the shoulder. I have a half shell work there, which is a double crochet chain 1 and a double crochet. I will just work a double crochet chain 1 and a double crochet into the same spot to complete that shell. Now skip the next turning chain, and on top of the next turning chain, work a shell. Skip the next turning chain, and on top of the next, work a shell. Keep repeating that. until you are near the armpit again. I now have 2 turning chains left to the armpit, so I will skip those. I'll skip the next turning chain and the last turning chain and work into the same spot we started. That is the armpit. I will work a double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet into the same spot to complete the half shell that we started with. And now slip stitch to the top of beginning chain 3. So that completes this round. And I had around, let's see the total number of shells I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I had around 13 shells around the armhole, which is 7 inches long.